everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. So the very first thing I want to do is I want to shout out a brand new channel. She just put up her introduction video yesterday. She showed in the video a gift she had made for her friend. In today's video, she gave the gift to her friend on camera, and it was so cool. It is so great to see the reaction from the recipient, so it was really cool. So the channel name is Queen Bee Crochet, and the hostess of the channel is the lovely Alyssa, and she was the grand prize winner of my birthday giveaway. So when she gets the box, she's gonna do an opening on her channel. Yay! So a lot of you have seen the different yarns and things that went in to the giveaway for the 3 winners, but I put extra stuff in there too. So there's a few little extra things that I did not show. So make sure you go over and subscribe to Queen Bee Crochet if you want to. She is a fellow crocheter, and she's a lovely, lovely person. So yeah. I just wanted to talk about something else too. Oh, this, I've shown this to you before, and it's designed for a shawl that I made. I'll link the tutorial below. This is just, it's a shorter version of it, but this is the design, and yeah, so I talked to you before about this, but I also want to show you again the yarn that I used. I did not use this yarn for the tutorial. I used a different one, but so I'll tell you what this one is. This is the Butterfly from Hobby, 100% premium acrylic. And look at those gorgeous colors. Absolutely gorgeous. If you dig a little bit deeper in there, you'll see it changes into lighter colors. And this is it here, how it goes. So I started with the darker color and then just followed the other colors. I did color control a little bit so that I have a different color for each stripe, I guess you could say. So let's see, 100% acrylic. There's 200 grams in here, 547 yards. It's a lightweight 3, and it is so wonderful to work with. I love it. It's so soft, it's squishy. Yeah, I love this. And this colorway is, it says color 7. Designed in Denmark, made with love in Turkey. So, why am I showing you this again? Well, I did say this is a special video. On one of my previous videos, I had talked to you about a channel that had left a comment that was not, negative, rude. So I removed them. But anyway, your comments regarding, what I did, just remove them. I didn't reply back or anything because I felt God saying, I felt God not saying anything at all when I asked him, what should I write? So the silence meant, don't write anything. So, you guys left me wonderful comments and said that I did the right thing, and you uplifted me and, told me don't let anybody steal your joy. It's not, I don't get upset about those things, and I haven't had a comment on my channel like for the past 2 years that I found was rude. And I can usually tell when somebody's joking, and And I'm not easily offended. I don't choose to get offended by things. But this comment, I got rid of it. I blocked the channel, whatever. But, so, and I love to laugh. I love a good joke. So I love when you guys joke around with me. I love it. So, so what am I getting at? And what does it have to do with this yarn? Well, I decided that, you know, the comment was something bad, right? Something bad that happened on my channel. So I decided, well, you know how God is. He takes bad things, turns it into good. You just have to be patient with him. He does it in his own time. So I started thinking, I'm going to draw a name. Use the YouTube random comment picker and draw a name from those comments that were so uplifting. So I've done that. I did that just a few minutes ago. And you're going to win this yarn. This will be for you, the winner. I wish I could send you all one of these. I mean, there's like 547 yards in just one. And I used the whole thing to make this. I did dig into another ball, not this one that I'm giving away, but I did dig into another ball to get the light color out just to finish off this last row. But the person who won this does not have to make this, of course. You can make anything you want. You can give it to a friend if you'd like to bless a friend with this. You can do whatever you want with it. Do you want to know who it was? I was actually, no matter who it was, I would have been excited because that's the way I am. Because I love you all. But this this beautiful lady, excuse me, I didn't expect her name to come up. I really didn't. For some reason. But anyway, here's the winner. You'll be getting this. Congratulations, Jeanette. Congratulations. So please email me, or my email has been acting up and I don't know why, but please either, well, email me, and then if I respond, then you know I got it. Or send me a message in Messenger if you're on there, or send a message in Instagram. Yeah, so, and just to let me know you saw this video, and also comment below, then I know you saw the video. But anyway, I'll have to take a look to see if your address is on your channel. But yeah, so congratulations. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I just wanted to shout out the lovely Alyssa at Queen Bee Crochet, and wanted to give away this beautiful yarn. Where's that center again? And this is the colors. I think it's gorgeous yarn. All right, you guys, thank you so much. If I don't see you later on, have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed weekend. Okay, bye.